Right, welcome back to my channel. You saw me driving on the motorcycle. I don't know if you guys knew or not, but I have a motorcycle. And I don't really like to show it off because it looks like butt right now. I'm missing like half my fairings on both sides. So today we're gonna be putting new fairings on. Yeah, we're about to start. I'm gonna lay out all the parts right now and then start taking this stuff apart. Gotta stop cussing. Alright, so we got all the fairings laid out. Looks like a lot, but I don't think it's gonna take that much. So I'm gonna start taking apart the rear first and then work from the front. And then we'll just keep you updated through that. It's exciting. I went with the whole black and gold theme just because it'll match my wheels and all my gold accents and stuff. So yeah, I got new blinkers in too. Gotta put these on too, so yep. We got this side off. I'm just working on the headlight now. I got the first visor thingy off. Probably gonna take the mirrors off and leave them off indefinitely because nobody needs mirrors when you're on a bike. Maybe I'll leave one, I don't know yet. But I just want to take everything off first. I have the fuel cover, the whole thing, but I had to take all this off and all these stickers, so I might not put that on. We'll see what it looks like and then just go from there. But yeah. So when I bought this bike in August. I don't even remember, I got this off by the way. But it was weird because when I bought it, if you look here closely, there's a bunch of gaps and stuff. I think the previous owner probably bought some fairings and I don't know, just kind of half-assed put them on. Could be wrong completely, but there's a lot of stuff missing. That's why I'm doing this, is because when I was driving on the freeway, my whole right side flew up on the highway, and yeah, that's about it. So it's just nice. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's kind of self-explanatory, so we'll see exactly what goes on and go from there. I don't even know what I'm saying, but we got the rear on almost. We're just figuring out this, finessing it and stuff, and then get some pizza. That's about it. Goodbye. So we went ahead and got the back all put together right now. And I'm gonna put so it came with a tank cover, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on just because I have to remove all the Yamaha stickers and stuff, and I don't really want to do that today. So I think I'm just gonna put all this stuff on real quick. Basically done with the tailpiece, and then we're gonna probably do the front first, and then just go from there. Excuse me. But yeah, just give it a sec and I'll show the final product. Yeah, now I'm gonna put this part on right here, this cover thingy, which is this thingy right here. So I got the one from Ogmart. I read a lot of reviews and stuff where they said that they're trash and all this bullshit, but I think over the years they have gotten a lot better because the newer reviews are actually really solid on these products. So I just went with it. I ordered them on June 30th and then it took what, a month and a half to get here. And that's about it though. I like them. They look good. I don't understand this whole Delta box bullshit though. Don't make no sense to me.
Is it the brand?
I have no idea. They're a fucking Chinese brand. This thing came from Chep Le Coq. We already got all the front and other sides on. Now we're just doing these two little side thingies and then the big parts, and we're done. Solid. Okay. Right now we're working on putting this part in, the whole side piece, which is very complicated and weird because this is kind of warped, so I have to finesse it on the other side and get it right, get it tight. But that's about it.
It'll come your way a bit. There. No. In.
Mine's not.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh. Anyways. Same. Oh, mine is now. Alright. Sweet.
Okay, I'm just gonna hope for the best.
Yours is in, right?
I have no idea.
I think it is.
It's the next day. We finished kind of late last night. It was like, I want to say at like 9 o'clock because we ran into a lot of complications and we played Monopoly for like 2.5 hours. I won. I was the best, per usual. The bike's all done. I just need to clean it up real quick before the shoot, and then we'll show it off and we'll get some cool like B-roll shots. It looks really good. The signals that he said that came with the signals are trash. They keep falling off, so I have to like shove them in every single time. So I'm gonna have to redo that or just like super glue it or something. I don't know yet. But overall, Ockmark's fairings were really good. The only thing I could say like I didn't like about it is they didn't come with like it came with the hardware, but it didn't tell you where it was specifically supposed to go. I think that'd be a plus if like they showed you like a layout of it. But other than that, next thing you see on this bike is going to be race rails. Those, I don't know when I'm going to get those. I ordered those June 30th, and those will be in probably next year sometime. I don't even fucking know. But yeah, I'll show you the bike now in a second.
You're only using me.
Does that mean it's filming? It's filming? Is it filming? Oh, fuck. Bloopers at the end of this video. You got me picking my nose? It's kind of weird. But we're gonna start now. Oh, you're not even filming. Are you filming me? Fuck. Are you filming? Oh, that's awkward.